afro? What about some skirt to cover up the astro? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Now we're here with another Gambian reaction, and I know. So someone recommended this video. I searched it up. Guess who first I saw? My fellow YouTuber, that reggae boy did this reaction already. You understand me? That's why I really don't do a lot of Gambian reaction, because he's doing that. All right, guys. But I'm trying to take over the entire Caribbean, so I'm gonna do them. You know what I mean? So if you guys get me to 20k subscribers, I might give you one every single day. You don't know a chap. I told Trinidad to get me to 10k, and yeah, they did, so they get a reaction every single day. So everybody, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I don't know what to expect from this song. Oh, Black People. Stoneybwoy, Black People. Lyric video. Produced by what that? Oneness Records. Big up on yourself. People, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and I post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. If I don't post 2 days, I'm sick. If we don't post 2 times for the day, if I don't post 2 times for the day, I am sick. You know. So we're going to run through and see what I'm going for the song. I don't know. I've never listened to the song before. I don't know what to expect. It's titled Black People. So let's get straight to the reaction right now.
Yeah. Well, you know, Stoneybwoy again, you know.
Stoneybwoy and I.
I gotta say this to the people of the world, you know. Sometimes we have to take a look at things from a different perspective. Seen?
Yeah.
Oh, what about some low cut? What about some afro? What about some skirt to cover up the astro? Better show the reality.
So it's addressing everything that we as young people do then. You see me, so I'm going to do some low cut and stuff where we hear like this. You understand me? How about some afro? You hear me? And the girl, why don't wear some skirt to cover up on her ass though? Go on. Put up with you.
Yeah. Oh, what about some low cut? What about some afro? What about some skirt to cover up the astro? Better show the reality behind the scenes.
Yeah.
What about some dreadlock? What about some rasta? What about believing in yourself and not a pasta? Don't you forget the struggle of race is free. I'm losing myself.
Hold on, pause. Don't forget the struggle of race is real. Like, you know how long that song I make, not even like 7 months ago, me see. Right? This is a while before the whole George Floyd thing and everything I'm right. John no star, run my catch a little bit. Run show.
What about some rasta? What about believing in yourself and not a pasta? Don't you forget the struggle of race is free.
Don't forget it, people.
I'm losing myself as a black man in this world.
John no.
I'm losing identity in this society. I'm losing myself.
Yeah.
As a black man in this world, I'm losing identity. Black man, can't you see that they don't want you to know that you are the best of all amongst us all, black people.
Yeah.
Alright. So
exactly. This is like a motivation song for black people. You see, like he made this song for us to like believe in ourselves more. You understand? That's what I'm getting from it. You understand me? What do you all think though? That's what I'm getting from it. Run show.
When it is black, it's bad, but when it is white, it's good. Oh, what a mindset, and it hurt me so bad to realize that a lot of black people hate themselves as a people. They feel so weak and feeble, which is not supposed to be that way. I'm losing myself as a black man in this world. I'm losing identity in this society. I'm losing myself as a black man in this world. I'm losing identity. Black man, can you see that they don't want you to know that you are the
Believe in ourselves, people. Yeah. That's what I'm getting from the song.
See me, I wonder why Africa can't unite. We sell out the visionary leaders overnight. 60 billion for all of the backside. Looks like black people not have no foresight. Cobalt and timber, diamond and Tanzania.
Wise up.
For all of that, all the bombs are ignited.
Yeah.
No team to your genocide. Physical and mental genocide.
What about it?
I'm losing myself. As a black man,
Honestly, I've never felt like, I don't know, I've never really encountered, I understand me, any major like racism towards me. You understand? I haven't seen any. I've never met someone who's like very, if I have, they've never like really disrespected me before. Because for one, I don't even talk to a lot of people. I stay to myself anyways. Because I know it's out there. But that's never like been treating, you know, in a harsh way. So, but me relate to it because I see in videos and I see it happening, but for like me happening towards me, I've never experienced that. I'm glad I haven't experienced that because I'm very ignorant. That's why I stay to myself. I know, run shut up. But believe in yourself. That's what he's trying to tell you guys. Believe in yourself.
I'm losing myself as a black man in this world. I'm losing identity. Black man, can't you see? I'm losing myself as a black man in this world. I'm losing identity in this society. I'm losing myself as a black man in this world. I'm losing identity. Black man, can't you see? But they don't want you to know that you are the best of all amongst us all.
Pick up yourself, Trinidad. One that
they don't want you to know that you are the best of all.
So basically, so yeah, guys, I just want you guys, what I get from this song is just empowering us, you understand me? Message to us as black people, just believe in ourselves and not say, yo, we're the best of all time, you see me? So when you see bad thing, I just believe in it. Just think about the best, you see me? Don't, yeah. But just believe in yourself, uplift on yourself, dog, help each other. That's one of the things that we need to do more. You see me? I say, yeah, people. But thanks for checking out my reaction. I hope you guys enjoyed my little reaction. If you did, please smash a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you all are not yet subscribed. My goal right now is to take over the entire Caribbean. You understand me? Entire Caribbean. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do that. And after I do take over the entire Caribbean, then I'm gonna start traveling all of the states. All states. All Caribbeans that island that have people in watching me. You understand me? That's what I'm pushing for on YouTube right now because I love traveling, but I also enjoy doing reactions, and this is how I can connect with the different Caribbean islands. So I'm connecting to the all first, then I start coming to y'all islands. You understand me? So just do the right thing. Subscribe, like the video so the video can recommend to more people. Send it to one person. You understand me? It's been a boy Tai. I'm out.